have you seen one of these gizmos before? This is called a sous vide, which I have been learning about through my dear husband, who is right now cooking a roast in this pan. It is under that saran wrap. And it'll be 24 hours and we're gonna pull it out and see what it looks like. I have never experienced something quite like this, but we needed it. I wanna tell you why. So I'm trying to soak up some sun while there is a little bit of sun out. And what were we talking about? Oh, the sous vide. So I wanted to tell you about the sous vide because this is my husband's latest hobby, and it's because my sister is getting married in October and we are going to be catering her meal, and he's going to be prepping 250 dinners, pork, pulled pork and things like that, and we need to have a way to feed all those people and cook the food and make sure that it's right. So we're trying out the sous vide. Have you guys tried one? And this is what came out of the sous vide. All right, I think that hubby is searing these. I really don't know. What are you doing, hubby? Yes, he is indeed searing them. And then we're gonna eat them in just a couple minutes. The meat came out so tender and juicy. I highly recommend the sous vide. Look at this dinner. On another night, hubby made a delicious steak with a nice cream sauce to go on top. He loves to make on-plan foods for our family.
If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, give it a big thumbs up. Bye!